Hey YouTube, my name is Will Ellis. Welcome to my channel. I am an affiliate marketer. My purpose here today is to help you find methods that you can earn money online, which can either supplement your income or hopefully replace it entirely with time given. Today, I'm going to give you a method that you can do affiliate marketing, get paid commissions on products being purchased without ever having to show your face, without ever having to send an email, pick up a telephone, or drive anywhere. This sounds like something that you'd be interested in. Stick with me as I walk you through the process. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to go create your Amazon affiliate account. To do that, you're going to need to go to this website here. That's affiliate-program.amazon.com. Once you go to that website, you can scroll through the terms and conditions, register your account, request access as an affiliate. As soon as you get your affiliate account approved, you're going to log on to the regular Amazon website. You're going to search for a product that you think will be hot and in demand right now. As the recording now, it is January 30th. So we essentially got 2 weeks until Valentine's Day. So I went ahead and did a search for Valentine's Day gifts for her. So after clicking the search box here, I like to click on this sort by drop down here and hit average customer review. So I want to find the products that are having the best reviews out there, because I don't want to just sell garbage. You want to attract people to the product. So now I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to look for something that's got at least 500 ratings on it. All right, this cute pop-up here, I think this is kind of interesting. So we're going to click into this product. Now, because you have your affiliate account, you may notice that your Amazon webpage looks slightly different. You might not even noticed it. But now up top, you're going to see this gray bar that goes all the way across. This is all the links for your affiliate account to interact with that. So now we got this page pulled up. You need to open up another web page, log into your Pinterest account. If you don't have one, go ahead and set one up. It's free. Once you're logged in, you should have a view kind of like this on your homepage, depending on what you picked as things that interest you. It doesn't really matter. But in the top left corner of the page, go ahead and click on Create and create pin. So this is where we're going to copy and paste essentially all the stuff from the Amazon listing into your pin so that we can publish it. So the first thing we're going to do is back on Amazon, top left of the page, you're going to click under Get Link, you're going to click on Text, and you can highlight, right click, and copy this URL that's in the little blue box. That is your affiliate link. If anybody goes to that link and purchases this product, you're going to get paid a commission. So back over on Pinterest, in the bottom right hand corner, add a destination link. We're going to right click and paste there. Next thing we want to do is get the picture for the product. Back up on your affiliate stripe, you're going to click on image, and you can just drag and drop that picture straight over into your Pinterest where that box is. Okay, next up, you need your title. So we're going to go ahead and highlight that, right click, copy, right click over here where it says add your title on Pinterest, and we're going to paste. Now you might notice this says that my title is too long by 97 characters. So you do have to trim these down just a little bit, so I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Get rid of this cute pop-up. We're not aiming for a wedding anniversary, so I can get rid of that one. It's not going to be a surprise gift. Another 32 characters to go. Okay, we can get rid of this wife-husband thing. One more character. Let's see what we can get rid of. Now let's get rid of lovering. Okay, so I got it trimmed down enough. Now still 16 characters left. If you want to play around with the title, that's fine. Put whatever it is you want in there. Next up is going to be the description. This one we're also limited to 500 characters. So most likely this description is going to be way too long, but I'm going to go ahead and copy it, paste it in, and usually they're going to have the most relevant stuff at the top of the description. So start from the bottom. I'm going to delete paragraphs until it meets the length requirements. So it looks like one more paragraph we should be able to get rid of. Okay, there we go. And again, you can tweak this, add stuff, remove it, whatever you want to do. So at this point, if you don't have any pin boards on your Pinterest account, you can click this drop down here in the top right, click on create board, type in whatever you want your board to be named where you can put all of your products. I've already got one called Hot Amazon Products, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that, and then right next to it you'll see the save button. Click that button, and now you're done. Now anytime somebody goes onto Pinterest and they search for the product that matches the terms in your listing, they're going to be taken to yours. They're going to hit the link. It's going to take them to Amazon. They're going to buy the product. You're going to get paid a commission. And all of this was done without you ever having to show your face, pick up a phone call, drive anywhere, or do any of that stuff. From this point forward, it's going to be completely passive. The more products you add, the more people you can lead to your affiliate links, the more purchases are going to happen, the more commissions you're going to get paid. Now, you're going to find a lot of high ticket items, a lot of low ticket items, everything ranging from 10-cent commissions to $100 commissions or more even. So give this a shot. Let me know down in the comments if I missed something, you didn't understand something, or if there's even another topic that you think I should cover. If you like this video, please subscribe, click the like button. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.